All right, today we're getting into multiplying special cases. So I can determine the square of a polynomial. I can find the product of a sum and difference of two squares. And I can solve real-world problems involving the square of a binomial, so the square of a two-term idea. All right, so what you'll notice with all of these is we're going to give you some formulas. However, when in doubt, go back to that box method that we talked about in the previous lesson. So if you have something that's the difference of squares, it's a plus b times a minus b. If you were to multiply that out with the box, your result will simply be a squared minus b squared. You square the first numbers, you square the last numbers, and your middle terms actually cancel out. Your sum of binomials, a plus b squared, so in other words, a plus b times a plus b, that ends up being a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Your difference of binomials, a minus b times a minus b, you might notice becomes a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. All right, so we'll talk through these using the formula, but again, when in doubt, make a box. All right, so your first job is to determine, well, what formula is this? Well, let's see, it's 2x minus 3 quantity squared. So it's number subtract number squared. So that's the sum of binomials, that second formula. So let's see, my a is 2x. Actually, I'm sorry, this is subtraction, so it's your third formula. Your a is 2x and your b is 3. The formula says a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So a squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Let's see, a is 2x, so 2x squared. 2 squared is 4, x times x is x squared, minus 2 times a times b. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, so minus 12x. And then plus b squared, b is 3, 3 squared is 9. Now if you're saying, I really don't like that formula, that says it's 2x minus 3 squared. So 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3. Top left box, 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Like terms, negative 6 and negative 6 is negative 12x. Bring down my 4x squared. Bring down my positive 9. Exact same answer I got. Okay, so my formula people, go to it with the formula. My people that are like, I am going to forget something, I'm going to lose a negative sign, use my box. All right, second one. Ooh, this looks like the sum of binomials. So a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. My a is 5w, my b is 2y. Okay, so a is 5w, so a squared plus 2 times a, 5w, b, 2y, plus b squared, so 2y squared. Okay, so 5 squared, 5 times 5 is 25, w squared, plus, let's see, numbers, 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, wy, 2 squared, 2 times 2 is 4, y squared. And you should not have any like terms to combine. And I double check, I do not. we are good. And again, don't like the formula? Make yourself a box. 5w plus 2y times 5w plus 2y. 25w squared plus 10wy plus 10wy plus 4y squared. 10 and 10 makes 20, and we got the same answer. All right, now this one is the one where your answer is going to look a lot simpler, because this is the one that ends up being just a squared minus b squared. A and b are the same in both places. So we've got 2x quantity squared minus 7 squared. Well, 2 squared is 4, so 4x squared minus 49. And again, if you were to make yourself a box, 2x minus 7, 2x plus 7, you'll notice on the diagonal, negative 14x, positive 14x cancel, and you're left with just 4x squared minus 49, which is again what we got.